ఏపీ డిసెంబర్ 1981 7 minutes 80 words per minute. ఏపీ డిసెంబర్ 1981 నిమిషానికి 80 పదాలు 7 నిమిషాలు. Now write down. Ladies and gentlemen, I am very happy to be able to say a few words on this occasion. It is in fact a unique occasion. This is the first time in history that an Indian exhibition has come. A couple of years ago, an exhibition from the Soviet Union went to India. I am very glad that the society decided to return the compliment. We saw an excellent performance given by them there. You will see that some of our artists have drawn from the rich field of Hindu religion. They have done so not because they are over religious, but because religious themes lend themselves to beautiful treatment. Our present day artists, however, are more and more interested in special subjects. This is in keeping with our Prime Minister's determination to turn India into an entirely secular state. The visit of artists is particularly welcome, and I would like to thank the authorities here for all the kindness and hospitality which they have been extending to us. Last year, the two Prime Ministers recognized certain signs of improvement in the general international situation. In their joint statement, the two Prime Ministers emphasized the need for peace. They pointed out that the tendency to build up arms has increased the fear among nations and had the effect on the uplift of the people. The two Prime Ministers felt that there was ample scope for development of cultural, technical, and economic cooperation between their states. It must be admitted that in the past, certain ideological difficulties stood in the way of our friendship. The distinguished statesmen who attended that conference recognized once and for all that war was no solution to the world trouble. That is why, if I may say so, they decided to play gentlemen towards one another. When one thinks of some of the conferences which were held in the past, one cannot help feeling that the main object was to cause loss to their opponents as far as possible. While both the Prime Ministers noted improvement in the general international situation, they also deplored the failure to solve certain problems and the lack of progress in implementing the agreements. It has been our desire that all the problems should be solved as early as possible. First of all, we should be able to know what their problems are and then make a trial for solving them. I am happy that for the first time the Moscow Radio has organized this program. In the first place, it shows the desire of India and the Soviet Union to understand each other. I hope that apart from entertaining our people, you will have time to look around and see some parts of our country. I have no doubt that your visit will result in a rich harvest of our friendship between our two countries. Finally, I would like to thank you on behalf of my wife and myself for accepting our invitation to this reception. We are particularly grateful to you for accepting it at such short notice. If this notice was short for you, it was short for us also, and I hope you will excuse for this. I am glad that some things of beauty included in this exhibition will be placed in your museums and bring joy to thousands of people. With these few words, I take leave.
చాలా ఈజీగా ఉంది అసలు ఇందులో ఏమి లేవు అసలు పదాలు అదే ఆంధ్రాలోనే ఉన్నాయి సేమ్